In this video, we're going to learn how to use Flexy Social. So come up here to the top menu bar and click on the Social tab. Then go ahead and click on Create Project. Now click on Flex Social. Now we need to go to YouTube and grab a URL. So I went on YouTube and I looked for cute dogs and cats and I found this video here, compilation. Now I'm going to go ahead and grab this URL. Of course, I don't recommend or condone grabbing people's videos and putting them on your page without their permission because that's copyright infringement. Make sure you have the permission or use your own video. So let me go ahead and paste this in and I'm going to click on the Create button. So you come out with this. Now if I go home, you'll also see that it's there. Okay, so that's where to find it. So go ahead and click on Configure. So if you want this video to autoplay, you can click on the toggle switch here. Make sure you turn on the social media button so you'll see the video whenever you embed the code. If you don't do this, you won't see the video or it won't work properly. You also have color correction options here. You can just click on the thumbnails to choose the proper color correction that you feel is correct. Or you can just leave your video as is. So the next step here is I want to name my project. So I'm going to call this Cute Dogs and Cats. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and save my changes right quick. Okay, so the next thing I want to do, so what is the purpose of doing this and what does it do for you? So basically you can add in a buy now button or some kind of call to action over the YouTube video. So if we click right here in the CTA call to action tab, go ahead and turn that on. And we need to go ahead and add new here. So these are the ones available: custom HTML button banners, slide up opt-in form, offer email opt-in form overlay, a buy now button, banner overlay, discount offer, course download, and no more. So in this case, I'm going to be selling an ebook, so we could use this as for affiliate products. And since it's a dog and cat video, I'm going to find an ebook that is doing some dog training, and I'm going to copy that affiliate link and bring that in here. So let me go ahead and choose this buy now button here. Okay, so let's take a look at it. So the buy now button, I can name this dog training ebook. Okay, I'm not going to do that now, but that's probably what I would do if I was selling the affiliate product on that, just to remember. So the delay starts in 5 seconds and the duration is going to last for 10 seconds. But the way we're going to do this is in the scope here, I'm going to use the pause and blur option instead of the keep playing option, because the pause and blur is going to stop the video and show my buy now button. They do have a little X button that they can X out of it and the video will keep playing. However, if you use the keep playing option here, then the video is going to overlay. Let me go ahead and get out of here and show you. The call to action is going to overlay over the video, but it's only going to last for 10 seconds if you use that one. So if you have a video, let's just say for a minute long, 2 minutes, whatever, you would want to set your duration to match that video's length if you're using the keep playing option. That way your button will stay on there for as long as the video is playing. But of course, how you use this is up to you. So what I want to do here is you want to put some call to action text in here. So I'm just going to say, grab your copy now. And I'm just going to link the URL to Google just for training purposes. Just to show you that the link does work. Okay, so the next thing we need to do is choose our buy now button. So right now, some people may look at this and say, okay, that's how it's going to look. But no, this is just a picture showing you an option of what it can look like, okay? So what you have to do here is click on this background link and choose an image for your background or whatever you want. So in this case, I want a buy now button. So also you can upload your own media here by dragging and dropping the files. But like I said, I'm going to go into the media gallery here. I've looked in the smart media before, and there's no buy now buttons in there. You will find that in the media gallery here. So you can just scroll through the folders. You'll see they'll pop up with a little description to tell you what's in there. So what I'm looking for is some buttons, and the buy now buttons and add to cart is the first two. So I'm going to choose buy now. I'm going to go ahead and pick the red one here. So if you hover over backgrounds now, it shows you a little image of what it is, just so in case you forget. Okay, so that's all together now. I just got to save my changes again and go ahead and copy the embed code here. Now it's copied to my clipboard. So now you could do this inside of a template here. If you're going to be using the templates inside of Flexy to do this, you could do it in here. Or I just want to show you that if you're using a WordPress site, that it'll work there too. So let me open one of my pages up here. I'm going to go ahead, save and close this. Go to my Pages tab. So let's go to this Buy Now page. Now, this Buy Now page is just a regular WordPress page here. So I'm going to paste that code in and make sure you're in the text version and not the visual. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and update that. Now I can open this in a new window. Okay, so grab your copy now. If I click this, it should bring me to Google. And there it is. So that's what it looks like when it stops and pauses the video. So let's go back into the Flexy editor here. We're going to go ahead and change this to keep playing. Close this back. Let's put the duration to 15 seconds here. Save changes again. Now the code is still embedded on my page, so it's just going to update the changes. So let me go ahead and refresh the page now. So as you can see, the video is still playing behind. So if I click that stop, then I can go ahead and see the video again. Okay, so that works good. Now, one other thing that I wanted to show you, that this also works if you're using Optimize Press. So just in case some of you out there is using that, yes, it does work, and I'm going to show you right now. So I created another page down here called Test Page. So I'm going to edit that. I have to go into the live editor here and edit my video. Choose embed code. And I'm going to paste this code in here. And scroll down, insert. And now save and continue. Okay, now I can view public link in new window here.
One, two, three, four. You know what I'm waiting for.
Goes to Google. Okay, cool. So that's how you use Flexy Social.